just like I like my honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it's been a while since I last filmed videos, so please bear with me since ang dami din talagang schoolworks and all, and the finals pa. And today is December 25, 2018, so Merry Christmas to you all. And since it's Christmas today, I am going to do a Christmas makeup tutorial. Yeah, I'm going to do a Christmas makeup tutorial for you guys. So I think this is my second makeup tutorial, since the first one I showed you guys how I do my daily makeup routine. And so today I'm going to show you how I did my Christmas makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. So before anything else, I'm first gonna sanitize my hands using this Bare Essentials Alcohol Spray with the scent of warm vanilla. They actually sent this, I think, more than 2 months ago na. Super love ko tong spray na to kasi sobrang bango niya. Hindi siya yung, yung alcohol na... Hindi siya yung alcohol na masakit sa ilong yung amoy. As in, sobrang, minsan ginagamit ko to as pabango kapag wala na dalang cologne or what. So, it's important to keep your hands clean when touching your face to avoid breakouts and putting dirt on your face. Next, I am going to put this AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner to my face. So, it's from Cotter X, by the way. So, I bought this at Trendsetters Bazaar for only 600 pesos. So, helpful din siya sa, sa skincare routine ko. As in, sobrang helpful. Shout out kay Jamie Patano for recommending this toner for me. It helped a lot talaga for the both of us. So, ako kasi usually dapat yata sa to, nalagay sa cotton pad, pero kasi nasasayang yung product. So, ayun. Just pick on diretso. So, ipapasat lang natin siya para ma-absorb ng skin. So, now, okay na. Nag-settle na yung toner sa face ko. Ngayon, i-prepare ko yung lips ko para hindi siya dry. With this Nivea Soothe and Protect SPF 15. Actually, free to sa sa Trendsetters Bazaar nung pumunta. Okay. The next thing that I am going to do is to put facial moisturizer and sunblock on my face, kasi it's important that you actually keep your face protected from the harmful rays of the sun. So after that, I am going to proceed to my eyebrows. So, wait, hinahanap ko yung stuff ko for kasi actually nasa isang bag lang sila, almost lahat, hindi ko pa naayos. Okay, for my eyebrows, I am going to use this Tattoo Brow Ink Pen from Maybelline New York in the shade Gray Brown. So, actually, bagong bili lang siya. Like, yesterday lang bili. So, it's gonna be my first time to try it today. Actually, ang backstory nito kaya ako ito nabili. So, it costs 399 pesos. So, may instructions naman actually here sa likod ng box. Ito yung itsura niya. And, ganting itsura ng bristles niya. So, as you can see, parang siyang, oh my gosh, it won't focus. Basta parang siyang my bristles, ayaw mag-focus ng camera, so whatever. Ano ba? Parang wala.
A few moments later.
Parang hindi ko siya bet.
One eternity later.
Parang wala nga masyadong lumalabas actually. Kasi ganyan na siya. So, nahirapan talaga ako dito. So, ayusin ko na lang with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade. Sa hirap na talaga ay sis. Like, okay, medyo natural. Natural siya tingnan, pero ang hirap niya talaga i-fix dahil. So, ito na yung kinalabasan ng brows ko. I really would like to apologize if medyo magulo yung pagkaka-film because medyo ang hirap ng talaga. But anyways, so ayan. I just want to comment on this product. Medyo, it's too pricey for sa ganitong quality. Siguro, okay sana if mas maganda yung quality ng product. Kasi ang hirap talaga sin konti lang yung lumalabas and all. So, it will really take you a lot of time doing your brows. Next will be... Check natin kung ano yung pwede kong gawin. Next is eyebrow gels. So, to set my gels, I am using this. Okay, nawala na yung label niya. But, this is the MAC eyebrow gel. So, just gonna put some. There. The next thing that I am going to do is foundation na. So, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free and Balance Foundation Combination Skin. So, ito siya. In the shade Pure Beige 235. So, yun. Okay, now that I'm done with my foundation, I am now going to put on concealer. So for my concealer, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Deep number 35. I'm gonna use this medium shade na lang. Usually, nilalagyan ko pa ng ganito para mas lumagal yung dito ganda sa my under eyes ko kasi dark yung under eyes ko. Ayan. So, there! So, the next thing on my list is, wait lang. Anyways, the next thing on my list is to fake my under eyes and my chin and my T-zone kasi iyan ko doon ng concealer. So, pwede guys, sobrang gamit ko here. So, I'm going to use this Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. While waiting, I can already do my lashes. So, I am gonna curl them first. So, I'm going to do my lashes first while baking my face. So, something in my face. I'm gonna use this. I forgot what brand this is. Pero alam ko galing sa mom ko to. I'm gonna curl them first. Then put mascara afterwards. There. So for my mascara, I am going to use the Maybelline Super Curl Volume Express. So sobrang Maybelline fan na. Hindi naman fan, pero puro Maybelline products yung ginagamit ko. So now that I'm done with mascara, I am already going to use this powder brush to brush off the excess powder on my face. Next is gonna be which one? Hindi kasi ako nagbo-blush masyado. I don't use blush that much. But, sige, for this video, I'm going to use this blush from Too Faced Best Year Ever palette. This year shade niya is Will You Marry Me? So, hindi siya sobrang pack na blush. Tamang blush lang. So, next is gonna be highlighter. So, for my highlighter, I am going to use the EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Candlelight. So, bigay lang din sa akin to. Then, ito binili ko sa isang bazaar. So, I am going to highlight the things that needs to be highlighted. Charot. So, okay, next is gonna be my foundation, eyeshadow. So, hindi ako usually nag-eyeshadow pagdating sa mga makeup. Sure pa. Pero I feel so special. Special sa Christmas. So, mag-eyeshadow ako today. So, kuha lang ako ng brush from my mahiwagang pouch. Puno-puno mo lang kung ano-ano. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush instead. Then I'm gonna use this Take It 3 Urban Decay palette. I'll start off with this Limit shade. Next thing that I am going to place on my eyelid is this shade. One on a brush. So I'm gonna use this Burnout shade from the Urban Decay palette for this. So, nag-reflect kasi yung but it's not yet finished. So, nalagyan ko siya ng pink na glitter over there. And nawawala na siya, so I have to find it again. I am going to use this Sezane Tone Up Eyeshadow. This is from Korea. And it was given to me by Sab Rubio. Shout out to Santin for this palette. So, eto yung gagamitin ko. yung lightest kasi glittery siya. There. So I'm almost done. Last thing that I have to do is to put on lipstick. So actually madami akong lipstick, but for today I am going to try yung bilhin ng dad ko na lipstick for me, which is the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink. First time ko to try ito, and I don't know which one to use. Ito yung shades niya. And since ito yung closest to the lip ko, siguro I'll be using this lang. So it's the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Ruler. But anyways, so this is the final look of my Christmas makeup tutorial. So ayan, I just wanna repeat, I'm not really a beauty guru, so hindi ako expert when it comes to makeup, but here's what I can do. So this is the final look of today's makeup tutorial. So it's not really that grand, it's simple lang. As you can see, since mas okay kung simple, kasi naman, I'm not saying like parang it's wrong to be extra, but it's better to be simple para hindi ma-hide yung natural beauty natin. So this is the final look. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to do more makeup tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the ring or the bell button down below to get notified when I post a new video. So thank you for watching. Bye.